Hi guys, it's like midnight and I'm gonna go take a shower, wash my face, get into bed, read Manacled. Guys, I'm reading the Dramini fanfiction Manacled. I'm losing my mind. I am losing my mind. And it's funny because I am a fanfiction hater. Like this is the first and last fanfiction I'm ever gonna read, but it is so good I'm unwell. I'm unwell. And the reason I'm even entertaining Manacled is because it's a love story and there wasn't really any romance or love stories in the Harry Potter series. I mean, people got together, yeah, blah, blah. But when I heard about this romance that everybody was going crazy over, I had to get into it. And I just wanna crawl into my bed and read Manacled. But before I do that, I wanna play around with some makeup. This is honestly inspired by another Hannah. I don't know if you follow her on TikTok. She'll always just like play around with makeup before going to bed. And I used to do this all the time. And I thought maybe I would do it more often whenever I'm bored at night and I'm about to go wash off my makeup. Let's just like throw shit on it and see what happens. I actually want to put this eyeshadow on my eyes because it has this really pretty flip from purple to blue and it reminds me a lot of Birthday Invasion, our newest shade from our Area 5 collection, which actually all the makeup I'm playing with today is inspired by Area 5. If you guys didn't already know, Lights Lacquer just turned 5 years old, guys. 5. We've been around for 5 years, which seems insane. It feels so surreal to me. But we wanted to do an alien themed birthday this year without making it like too classic alien. So we went this really cool retro route and I think it's my favorite collection we've ever done. Like I'm obsessed with this box. How cool is this? Look at our freaking nail art tattoos. Are you joking? They're so freaking cute. This little UFO that's taking the woman. You've got some aliens, some disco balls, presents and birthday cake because it is our birthday. And I'm obsessed with these names. You know what's so funny? You guys helped me name this collection. Leave Space for Cake. That's my favorite name in the collection and you guys named it. I went to my stories and asked for help and you guys are so damn helpful. Look at the laptop stickers. Are you joking? This one says, we come to party. Like we come in peace, but we come to party. We got our classic little alien head, but this one's like cool, really, really cool. And then we have our little, we're turning 5 lipstick. There's a little 5 on our lipstick. Doesn't this remind you of Ichiban? Lipstick for men.
Ichiban, lipstick for men.
I'm just obsessed. These are going straight on my laptop. Look at these colors. Aren't they so weird? Like aliens made them. I know everybody's favorite is Birthday Invasion because of the purple shift. Such a pretty blue, but I am obsessed with We Come to Party. I wanted to make a confetti shade without having like really thick shards of colorful glitters. And then Leave Space for Cake is the prettiest holographic silver, but it's not just any holographic silver, okay? It has a really pretty intense fuchsia shift. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I don't know if it's showing up, love. It's hard to tell, but I swear it's there. Especially in person, you really see that purpley pink shift. It's just so damn cool. Not your typical holographic. Love them so much. I swear in person, these look the same. I want to put this all over my lid, but first I want to lay down a base. I want to mix these two primers together to create the perfect shade. The P.Louise makeup base in Summer Blues and Vivid Violet. Okay, not exactly the color I was looking for, but it's fine. I think I added too much purple, but no. Actually, I think that's a good color. I swear I had to take off my ring. I can't do my makeup if I have a ring on my pointer finger. It's so weird. I can't hold any freaking makeup brush. Guys, I am not kidding, that Manacled, I'm only on chapter like 35 and I swear it already is one of my favorite books I've ever read. And you know what's freaking insane? Listen to this. If you already know the lore, I'm sorry, but this fanfic became so damn popular that she's actually publishing this book, but she's changing the story quite a bit because obviously she can't use the names Hermione or Ron or Draco or any of that stuff. So she does have to change the book a bit, and she changed the name to Alchemized, but she is publishing Alchemized in 2025, which is so insane how she just turned a fanfic story into a book deal. I think that's so impressive. I mean, I'm so impressed by the story. Like, her writing is amazing, but it's just so crazy how big it got. She actually took Manacled off the internet. Like, if you went to go try to download it today, you wouldn't be able to download it because she took it off since she's like reworking the story and publishing it like an actual book. And people were taking Manacled. Listen to this. She didn't care if people were like printing out the story and making their own books for themselves. Like, if you printed all the pages and made your own Manacled for like you and your friend, whatever, no big deal. Kindle, but people were printing out the pages and then selling the book, which you're not supposed to do that, so she took it down. But if you downloaded it to your phone or to your Kindle, obviously it stayed there, so you're good. And we're currently reading Manacled in my book club. Manacled is our January book. It is the first book in our book club, which by the way, you guys can join my book club if you have the app Fable. It is the easiest app to use, the best way to join a book club. There's a bunch of different book clubs on Fable, but you can join my book club. We're the Midnight Readers. I'll put it right here. Come check me out on Fable. Come join my book club and read books with me and all of my new friends who have made their way over to Fable. We have had amazing conversations and all the chapter tabs, and it's been wonderful. I have truly enjoyed reading Manacled with you guys so much. There's nothing worse than reading a book on your own. Like, having somebody to react with is the best. I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna go into the duochrome eyeshadow I was talking about earlier. This is from J.Cat and it's their Fairydust duochrome eye topper in Pixie Shift. Ooh. It's so funny, there are a couple people who are in the book club who are reading Manacled but have never read Harry Potter before. And I'm like, guys, you are gonna be so lost. You can't read Manacled without reading Harry Potter first. Number one, it's gonna ruin Harry Potter for you because Draco and Hermione do not get together in the real story, as they shouldn't. But if you ever went from like reading Manacled to then wanting to read the real Harry Potter story, you're gonna be like, what the hell? So don't do that. And also, you're just gonna be so lost. There's so many characters that are in Manacled. You're gonna be like, what's a Tom Riddle? Who is that? Oh my god, guys, Onyx Storm comes out this month. Sorry, I know I keep talking about books. I'm like I'm on a book kick right now, like next level. But did you see the third book in the Fourth Wing series comes out this month? I believe January 21st, something like that. And I'm gonna be reading it and we're gonna see if it's shitty like the second book. I know. I'm such a Fourth Wing hater, guys. I am so sorry. The first book was good. The second book was not. I'm sorry, I will die on that hill. And you know what it is for me? It's hard for me to get into a book where I don't like the FMC. The female main character in the book, Violet, drives me crazy, guys. I don't like her. There, I said it. I don't like her. She is so whiny and dramatic. God, like, I'm so sorry. She is so unlikable. Like, I don't know. Cute. I really like that combo. I actually want to put this on, also inspired by Hannah. I literally bought this because of her. This is from the brand Half Magic and it's their Glitterpuck eyeshadow in the shade Cyber Diamond. This is just like a super glittery, okay. There's a reason why they say to always keep this in. Please never turn this on its side. I saved it. But learn from me and don't ever turn that on its side. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks like Party City threw up on my floor. My pants are disco pants. Maybe I could just like pass my finger through my pants and then apply to my lids. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of Cyber Diamond on the center of my lid. I'm bringing it up to my brow bone to create like a kind of look, you know? Love. Okay. No, really, you guys should see my pants. Oh my god, what if I tried to do like a little Saturn around my eye? Would you be able to tell it's Saturn? It's the little hour, I don't know. What in God's name is that? Because I know that ain't Saturn. They're so uneven. Like this one is all the way down here. This one, what is happening? Guys, I'm not a beauty guru. I know. We're gonna leave that. So Huda Beauty came out with this cute new Easy Bake powder in lavender. Well, it's called Birthday Cake, but look how pretty. I could imagine this looks so freaking stunning on like medium to deep skin tones. I don't know how that would look on me. It would probably look like a blush. I would normally test it. However, I really want to try on these blushes. Also new from Huda Beauty. I love these blushes so much, like this formula. But they came out with these shades. Oh wait, Cotton Candy is, yeah, it's a shade we already have. This one in Oob Cream. Oob Cream? Oob Cream? Oob Cream. This is the new one. Let's use this one. Ah, such a pretty shade. I'm putting this directly on top of my expired powder blush. So this is going right on top of powder. Whatever, who cares? Ooh, I like this shade. That even builds nicely on top of powder. I love these blushes. I'm gonna add more. Let's chaperone this bitch. You can say nothing but know the truth. Oh my god, I need to go to sleep. Now I need more bronzer. I like that blush though. I always seem to do some shit like this for my birthday makeup, I swear. Even though this is not my birthday. This is the company's birthday. My birthday is coming up though, and I don't want to talk about it, darling, because I can't believe I'm gonna be 33. I'm gonna add some of this bronzer. This is the NUDESTIXSTAX Day All Cover Blush Balm in Sunstone. I think I put too much. Okay. This video is a little chaotic. I look like a 5-year-old who was left in mommy's makeup. Wait, let's make it better. I bought these. Wait, I want to test out this Huda Beauty gloss. Huda Beauty gloss. I want to test out this Huda Beauty gloss in UUU-Baby. I love this color. Oh my god. It has the perfect amount of pigmentation, like the perfect amount of baby pink. The lip liner I was wearing is Alamar Cosmetics Birthday Suit. And ooh, baby on top. Ooh, baby, I love. Look what I bought. I got this off of the Urban Outfitters website. They are silver speckles, glitter freckles. And I think that would really complete this look. I know it's a waste because I'm gonna go take a shower, but oh my gosh, there's multiple. Okay, good. Peel off backing and place patch sticky side down. With a towel and yada yada yada, you know. Oh, wow. Cool. Oh shit, I need my towel. Okay, I got toilet paper. It says to dab it for 60 seconds and then peel. Shit. Oh, okay. Things got a little funky on my nose, but I don't think I dabbed it for long enough. But oh my gosh. Why is it coming down my cheeks? Why did I do it like that? It's supposed to look like this. Maybe I was supposed to cut it. What's with the Batman symbol? Why do I got a glitter Batman symbol on my face? Listen, this would be cute if it was just this. Like, I'm gonna do this again next time, and I'm gonna cut it. Like, how cute would it be if it was just this? Like, imagine going to a Taylor Swift concert without this part. That's cute. Because right now I just look like I'm auditioning for the Wizard of Oz. Now I know I've got a heart because it's breaking. Get it? Get it? Get it? Get it? I look good. Tell me no. You know what probably would look good? If I added some more Cyber Diamond, like right under my eyes here. So it kind of looks like tears that are extending down. You know what I mean? I like that. This Cyber Diamond glitter is so freaking good. I want all of the Glitterpuck glitter shadows like this, because first of all, it's like almost the size of my head. You will never in a million years go through this. It's so freaking good. The formula is insane. Okay, I think that helps. I like that better now, right? I can't get over this. But I'm telling you, this could be a look with the little Cyber Diamond tears, half of this. Oh yeah. I see it. I see the vision. Anyway, guys, that completes this video. Don't forget to check out our Area 5 collection, which is now available. You guys are going to absolutely love these shades. They're so good. And I just want to say thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you for celebrating our birthday with us and supporting us. You mean the world to us. Also, guys, come check out our website because we just restocked a bunch of shades for Valentine's Day, and we have the cutest little Valentine's Day packaging and these new puffy stickers. You're gonna love them so much. But that completes this video, guys. I'm gonna go wash my face immediately. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.